Hello, my name is Ngozi Mebog. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to change flat tires in case of emergencies. Today you can see there's a flat tire here, and the objective of this is to apply the safety precaution measures in the process, to follow step-by-step instructions in changing flat tires, and identify the necessary tools in flat tire replacement. The first thing in changing a flat tire is to put on the hazard light from your car as a warning to other drivers. Now see me put on the hazard light. That hazard light before changing tires is to serve as warning to other drivers. And then we are going to identify the tools, necessary tools for changing the tires. The first thing we have here, before you change your tire, you must have a spare tire. This is a spare tire. And these are the wedges. This is the wrench. And this is the jack. These are the necessary tools. Okay, the next step is to secure the car by placing wheel wedges against the opposite tires. But this is the flat tire. Should the wedge be at the flat tire or opposite the flat tire? It shouldn't be here. So where do we go? We take it to the opposite tire of the flat tire. So we go around and put it at the opposite tire, which is this side. Right, this is right. This is the opposite tire. So we put it to avoid it from rolling. Using the wrench, we're going to loosen the lug runs about a half turn, just as he's doing. But do not remove the nuts completely. Right. Now, we're going to lift the vehicle and place the jack under the vehicle. Good, just as he's doing. Place the jack under the vehicle near the flat tire to ensuring it contacts the metal part of your car's frame. And this raises the vehicle about 6 inches off the ground. You can see it, 6 inches off the ground. Then we are going to, now is raised, the car is raised. We're going to remove the nuts completely. Now that the nuts are almost out, we're going to pull the tire straight towards you to remove it from the hub. Exactly. Ta-da! The flat tire is removed. Now we're going to align the spare tire. We got the flat spare tire. Align it with the lug bolts and push it into place, just as he's doing. Tighten the lug nuts. We are tightening the nuts. And you see that he's using gloves to safeguard his hands. Now we're going to tightening it with the wrench, securing the nuts fully with the wrench. We're going to secure the nuts, tighten it with the wrench completely. We're doing. Then we're going to lower the car. Yes, lower the vehicle and use the wrench to secure the nuts. I've done that. Using the wrench to secure the knobs fully. See, using the wrench now to tighten it more. Tighten it more so it'll be tight, securely tight. Car has been lowered. Then we've done that. See, it didn't take so much time. See, the tire is almost fixed, just fixed. So now, finally, we're going to replace our hubcaps, store all the tools and the flat tire. We're going to put everything back. And my car is fixed. So the tire is fixed. Thank you for watching. So wasn't that sometimes it could be burdening fixing a flat tire, but with all these steps, it makes it easier and more safely. So we'll turn off the hazard light, showing that we finished changing our tire. Thank you for watching.